Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix the Bluetooth pairing issues that persists on your ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova earbuds. So actually this is very useful to know that because gaming earbuds are likely to not damage, but bug sometimes, and it's useful to have that knowledge. And we unfortunately don't have the guide how to reset our earbuds, so they can't be factory resetted. But you have to remember that even though that we can repair our earbuds. The first thing is that we have to go to the settings, connected devices, scroll all the way down to connection preferences, tap Bluetooth and disable it. Now wait for 10 to 20 seconds, and after these 20 seconds enable the Bluetooth back again. This will have your module repaired and restarted. So now we can go back and check if we can pair and connect to our earbuds. If you can't pair, you have to just wait for a moment, because now I will tell you what to do if you are paired, and so on. So if you are paired here, tap this gear icon, and now let's assume that this is not connected. Tap forget and forget button here and try to pair them again. But if you are not paired and you want to pair them, tap pair the device and try to pair them right here. If it still doesn't work, what I do recommend is to click the power and volume up button, tap restart and restart your device. It will take some time, but this will work for you. And apart from that, close the case of your earbuds. After this time you can enable turn on the earbuds, and everything should be working. If it still doesn't work, you have to contact device support with the proof of purchase so that you will have them repaired. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.